にちは。
こんにちは。
なにです。
マニです。文法語へようこそ。文法語では教科書通りではなく本当に使える日本語を勉強します。
Today is JLPT N5 and the grammar point is
でも
So obviously demo is very simple just as a word. It just means but. Well, in the context of this grammar point it means but. But I think it would be good to discuss some ways that beginners can say but without sounding rude.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because people just learn demo and then they're just like demo, and it comes across a bit rough, I think. So how can you say but without being rude?
Yeah, as you know, the important thing is we have no culture to deny what other people saying.
Yeah.
Even if I feel like, oh, it's different, like, oh, that's wrong. But I never say that's wrong. We don't often say demo to other people's opinion. But there are lots of other expressions when you want to express your true feeling. I think you have to add some or like you pretend you're thinking something.
Right, so you don't have to say a word, you just say and then the Japanese person immediately knows, okay, she disagrees.
Yeah. And also you can say, そうですね. It means, yeah, I know its literal meaning is yes, you're right. But even if you feel other people's opinion is wrong or different from yours, you can say, そうですね. ただ、私はこうじゃないかなと思います。みたいな感じ。
See, this is, I think, where I've got into some trouble. Because people have been talking to me and I've said そうですね or something, or そうですか or something, and they've taken it to mean, oh, you're like disagreeing with me, you're mocking me みたいな感じ。
そっか。
Yeah, よくある。
Also, you can't say そうですか. It means super, duper, whatever.
That's why I've got into trouble.
そうですね means like, oh yes, I agree with the part of what you are saying, or you totally agree with that opinion, of course.
Right, so saying そうですか I really pissed some people off then.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, I did. I realised that when they were making faces at me and I was like, I just thought it meant like, oh really? Like, oh, そうですか. But people were like, そうですよ. And I was like, okay, babes, chill out.
Like, I don't care.
Right.
Or whatever.
Oops.
It depends on the context there, of course, but yeah.
So basically, you shouldn't, if someone's talking, you should never say demo unless you're like in a relationship or something.
だから my recommendation is you just always try to agree with something at first. まあ確かにそうかもしれないですね。ただ is more weaker than demo.
Okay.
ただ B の方がいいかもしれないなと思います。More roundabout is more better.
なるほど。
JLPT の N5 を受けたいです。でも自信がありません。この服が欲しいです。でもちょっと高いですね。この商品は素晴らしいです。ただ使い方が難しいかもしれません。